Good morning, one and all. I am Sarada Lakshman from Teachers Couple Talks channel. I am thankful for our subscribers, sharers, and those who are liking our channel. I am thankful for your great support and encouragement. Today's getting into the topic. Our topic is blood and its components. How to know blood components? Blood components can be known by taking an experiment from test tube. Take some fresh blood in a test tube and add 0.1% of sodium oxalate and sodium citrate solution, and after adding this the blood stops clotting and there is a fluid formed in pale and straw color called plasma, and below this there is a red segment with blood cells of these blood cells. Close the test tube with a plugged cotton. Now keep it separately for half an hour and do not disturb or shake and mix. Next, these red segment has after this add some 0.9% sodium chloride solution to the test tube solution and shake it well and mix it well and thoroughly 3 to 4 times, and observe the fluid on a slide. Taking on a slide under the electron microscope, we can see in the red segment there are red blood cells and white blood cells. Below the red segment there are red blood cells and white blood cells. Blood corpuscles are of two types, WBC and RBC. What are RBC? RBC are called red blood corpuscles. These are red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. These cells are circular and biconcave in shape, and these red blood cells are red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Due to the presence of hemoglobin, the red blood cells are red in color and they are also called erythrocytes. Red blood cells in mature cells of mammals does not have nucleus or nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and ribosomes. In mammals of some camels, the red blood cells have nucleus and nuclear membrane. In red blood cells of chordates and some amphibians, the red blood cells of amphibians and some chordates and some reptiles, there is nucleus, nuclear membrane, ribosomes, lysosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. These red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. These are produced in the liver and spleen also. The lifespan of the RBC is 4 months or 120 days. They die at the site of spleen and they are destroyed at the site of spleen. So spleen is called graveyard of the RBC. They are produced at liver and ligaments and spleen. The diameter of red blood cells is 7 to 8 μm in diameter and 1.5 μm in thickness. Next, RBC are white blood corpuscles, and next they are white blood corpuscles. The white blood corpuscles are moving like amoeba and feed on foreign germs that are produced in the liver and lymph nodes. These WBC are called leukocytes. These WBC are produced in the liver and lymph nodes. There are of two types, agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes are acidophils, basophils and Granulocytes are acidophils, basophils and eosinophils. Agranulocytes are monocytes. This give protection from diseases. Thank you, and thank you. That's all. And for this day, and thank and subscribe my sharers and those who are subscribing our channel and those who are liking our channel.